Subscribe the channel for latest updates. Press the bell icon. Get ready for the dictation. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Supreme Court of India came into existence on 26th January 1950 and is located on Tilak Marg, New Delhi. The Supreme Court of India functioned from the Parliament House till it moved to the present building. It has a 27.6 meter high dome and a spacious colonnaded veranda. For a peek inside, you will have to obtain a visitor's pass from the front office. On the 28th of January 1950, 2 days after India became a sovereign democratic republic, the Supreme Court came into being. The inauguration took place in the Chamber of Princes in the Parliament building, which also housed India's Parliament, consisting of the Council of States and the House of the People. It was here in this Chamber of Princes that the Federal Court of India had sat for 12 years between 1937 and 1950. This was to be home of the Supreme Court for years that were to follow until the Supreme Court acquired its own present premises. The inaugural proceedings were simple but impressive. They began at 9:45 am when the judges of the Federal Court, Chief Justice Harilal J. Kenia and Justices Syed Faisal Ali, M. Patanjali Shastri, Meher Chand Mahajan, Bijan Kumar Mukherjee and S.R. Das took their seats. In attendance were the Chief Justices of the High Courts of Allahabad, Bombay, Madras, Odisha, Assam, Nagpur, Punjab, Saurashtra, Patiala and the East Punjab States Union, Mysore, Hyderabad, Madhya Bharat and Travancore, Cochin. Along with the Attorney General for India, M.C. Setalvad, were present the Advocate Generals of Bombay, Madras, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, East Punjab, Orissa, Mysore, Hyderabad and Madhya Bharat. Present too were Prime Minister, other ministers, ambassadors and diplomatic representatives of foreign states, a large number of senior and other advocates of the court and other distinguished visitors. Taking care to ensure that the rules of the Supreme Court were published and the names of all the advocates and agents of the Federal Court were brought on the rolls of the Supreme Court, the inaugural proceedings were over and put under part of the record of the Supreme Court. After its inauguration on January 28, 1950, the Supreme Court commenced its sittings in a part of the Parliament House. The court moved into the present building in 1958. The building is shaped to project the image of scales of justice. The central wing of the building is the center beam of the scales. In 1979, two new wings, the East Wing and the West Wing, were added to the complex. In all, there are 15 courtrooms in the various wings of the building. The Chief Justice Court is the largest of the courts located in the center of the central wing. The original constitution of 1950 envisaged a Supreme Court with a Chief Justice and 7 puisne judges, leaving it to Parliament to increase this number. In the early years, all the judges of the Supreme Court sat together to hear the cases presented before them. As the work of the court increased and arrears of cases began to accumulate, Parliament increased the number of judges from 8 in 1950 to 11 in 1956, 14 in 1960, 18 in 1978 and 26 in 86. As the number of the judges has increased, they sit in a smaller bench of 2 and 3, coming together in larger benches of 5 and more only when required to do so or to settle a difference of opinion or controversy.